Dear job aspirants, you want a job and had experienced the outcome of your applications. Now learn how to succeed in less than 10 applications. Remember, job getting is not a number game, it's a matching game. You must have three things for your job hunt success. LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn profile is a vital factor to interest recruiters and hiring managers because, when interested, the first thing HR Pro does is check a candidate's profile. Ask yourself, does your LinkedIn profile up to date? The fact is 95% of pros are not taking advantage of all the features of the LinkedIn profile. Network. The fact is the majority of job vacancies are not advertised and filled by referrals. You have to develop relevant network contacts. Resume. Your resume must interest HR pros because they spend few seconds deciding to read further. You lost the battle if you don't interest them instantly. You know the 6-second test. I developed innovative resume elements: functional title, headline, career story, and trigger. You don't have them, and they will put your resume in the top 1% resume pile. Job success is a process, and you have to the aim, prepare, and shoot. This book teaches you to create an irresistible resume. No hiring manager can ignore it. Create a LinkedIn profile to get calls. Grow your network to boost your career growth. Job success is a process, and you have to the aim, prepare, and shoot. Let us start. You will start with positioning for the job. You should have a proper mindset for job hunting. There are hundreds of applicants, but you can shine out when you position yourself. You should not only position yourself, but also define and tell how you are different. For example, imagine you are meeting the HR manager of the company you are applying to. A resume is you in person virtually. What do you do when you meet someone? Or, what do you say when someone asks you what you do? Most of us say something like, I am a lawyer, I am an engineer. Examples of conversation with an HR manager. Example taking position. Question. Hi Mukesh, what do you do? Mukesh. I do creative online advertising and bring $2 to every $1 spent. How do you do that? I use compelling headlines to help businesses get their message across. I'm trained headline writer. This is you explain a process. The interviewer is interested. He is nodding and he wants to know more. So, keep talking. I mentioned headlines because they are 80% responsible for reading further. Therefore, it is a positioning statement because headlines are visual and people tend to relate to them. Finally, I give them a result. At ecomleads.com, an affiliate network, we solved high click costs by getting 10% plus CTR for AdWords campaigns. A success from my experience. Example 2. Now let us look at an average conversation. Hi Mukesh, what do you do? I do advertising. That's cool. Which newspaper and magazines do you do? It's now too late to steer the discussion because it's already taken a different track. In the first conversation, I could control the line of questioning. It ensures that my message got through undiluted. You must take a position. The resume creation process. Your resume is the first contact with HR pros, so you have to attract them and create an interest in you through your resume. A common way of working on a resume goes a bit like this. State all your facts in sections educations. State all your facts in sections: education, experience, award prize, writing, co-curricular activity, etc. Adjust font sizes, layout adjustment, fix grammar errors, and make sure they have bullet points. Give a title. Check for accuracy of contact info. Submit. How many times do you repeat this? Do that 10 times. And if you're not getting responses on doing it, there is something wrong with you. You have all the credentials for the jobs you are pursuing. So, why is it not working? Why doesn't you get results? You don't want to make 100 applications. Agreed? Agreed. Let us find a job in less than 10. Your strong interesting points. There is something to all of us possibly expressed through a piece of paper, which is interesting. Are you doing it? Your body of work is the reason people find you interesting. It is your job to convey to people who you are. Your work, both personally and professionally, has gone up significantly over the years, but your resume is still just a piece of paper with some job titles on it. You will change it and make it a job getting document. Here is my resume story. When you want a job, you have to tell the recruiters and hiring managers you are a great fit. Their only interest is to know, are you fit for the job? How you perform the job functions they are hiring. Remember, you have to tell means talk. Your first interaction with the company is your resume. Does your resume talk? I learned this hard way. When I came to the USA and trying to get a job, I struggled to get a job with a standard resume. An additional problem is my impaired speech because of cancer surgery. Let me tell you how I get my first job with a unique resume, and you will know what power has resume has.